Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist. Today is Friday, June the 29th, 2018. All right, so it was a wild week, a very wild week for these markets. The Dow has now lost its momentum once again, second week in a row now. Market failed to close above the momentum line, and now momentum is starting to lock in to the downside on the weekly chart. As we pull up the daily chart, you can see clearly how the market has stayed in a downtrend channel. All right. And even though on the daily chart it's green, the daily chart also failed to close above its momentum line. This is also a bearish sign. Also, prices are below the Kumo cloud. Momentum is below the Kumo cloud. And we have a crossing of the intermediate versus the longer term trend line resistance. This is also very bearish. So it looks like the market could not overcome and now is in a situation of rolling over. And this is the Dow that you're looking at, as you can see here. All right, if we pull up the Russell, which was quite stronger than the Dow, we can see it's still above the Kumo cloud on the daily, but momentum is picking up steam. So the Russell has more to go to catch up with the Dow before getting below the Kumo cloud on the daily chart. But like the Dow, it also gave up its momentum on the daily chart. On the weekly chart, it also has given up momentum. All right. So this could be the beginning bar of a correction on the weekly chart for the Russell, and the market has getting into that oversold level. So this is going to be interesting to see what happens during the holiday week. We have a shortened trading week coming up. July the 4th is upon us, middle of the week. So I'm expecting like volume, but normally during the 4th of July, markets rally. All right, it's like a patriotic thing. Everyone's buying. I don't recall a time where the market like crashed or sold off on the 4th of July. First time for everything. You never know. Got to keep eyes and ears open on this one. Looking at the NASDAQ 100 on its weekly, it too has lost its momentum on the weekly and on the daily charts. All right, lost it. Taking a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been in a bear market, and the bear market is getting worse with a new low hit today of 57.55. And I warned you that a new low was coming. And it's here, and on the weekly and daily, still momentum's pointing down. Losses seem to be accelerating at this point. You've taken out the pointer right here. Taking a look at the precious metals, gold accelerating to the downside, picking up steam on the weekly chart and on the daily chart as well. Looking at silver, silver on this daily chart still failed to regain momentum. And likewise on the weekly chart, hitting new lows. Taking a look at crude oil, as you can see, most of these markets are just bearish. Crude oil hit a new high of $74.47. All right, on this weekly chart, very bullish. Looks like the power is intensifying on the weekly chart. And on the daily chart, same thing. Momentum is just accelerating. Prices are lifting off. However, we do have a problem. The problem is these trend lines are not out of the Kumo cloud yet. Therefore, we could see a pullback correction, at least to the 68.65 level, which is this trend line support here. And on the weekly, that would be, okay, we're good on the weekly. We're above the Kumo cloud. So this one, I'm expecting a pullback before anything else. We might even go sideways for a little bit, only because your trend lines aren't turning up. They're just kind of like going with the flow, gradually going up. All right, taking a look now at the US dollar. Can't count that dollar out, can you? It's just getting stronger and stronger. All right, prices in the Kumo cloud of death. You did make a sword today on your weekly chart. That is a pointer. So prices may spike out of the cloud and only to reverse back down again. Trend lines are below the Kumo cloud. Prices and the momentum line are in the cloud. Prices, though somewhat bearish, still managed to maintain a positive momentum, closing above the momentum line on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, we're a little messy because we're below the momentum line, and we got the trend lines are trying to cross to the downside, momentum picking up to the downside. Price is still in the Kumo cloud and is in jeopardy of falling out of the cloud to the downside. So we see pulling back coming in the dollar. All right, so that's where we are. That's where we ended the week. So the markets still have quite a long way to go. We'll see what the week looks like. Take a look at the pulse waves. For those of you that subscribe to the weekly pulse wave price triggers, the pulse waves are out. As I am doing this video, the pulse waves are out and have been uploaded to the trading room file folders. For those of you that do not get the pulse waves, you have no idea what's going on, and you're going to need them. PulseWaveTrading.com, so you can know where the rally and crash alerts are, where the intraday price inflection points are for turning points in any market, know where the robots and algos are, and get yourself together. Get your trading house in order so that you can do battle with these markets and know exactly what is going on and where to put your money. Good, bad, and indifferent. All right, that's PulseWaveTrading.com. And to throw another wrench into the stew, I will tell you, we do have a rally alert to start the week off in gold. We have a rally alert in the NASDAQ 100 to start the week off. And we have a rally alert in the Russell to start the week off. That's right. And we have a rally alert in silver and a rally alert in the Dow futures. And we have a rally alert in, is that the euro? Yes, also in the euro, got a rally alert. And we have a crash alert for the dollar. So that's what we're looking at. So the stock indexes all have rally alerts. US dollar has a crash alert. The euro has a rally alert, and gold and silver have rally alerts to start the week off. Now, because this is based on daily bars, sometimes the indicator will lead the market out 3 to 5 bars, or 3 to 5 days on daily chart, 3 to 5 weeks on weekly charts. So this is where we are. All right, so Sunday night, Monday morning, I'm expecting these rally and crash alerts to play out. With that being said, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Everyone have a great weekend. Peace.